Okay. Give me a minute. Takes a minute to fire up all these beasts. There we go. All right. Here we go. Nice. Sorry, that camera's flipped. All right, the other TikTok's up. Pull the chat out of there. I see YouTube is up. Let me pull this chat out. There's Twitch. Still waiting on YouTube to get fired up. YouTube always has a bigger delay on it. There it goes. YouTube should still now be on YouTube. Yep, there it is. Let me pull this chat out. Boom, there we go. All right, there's YouTube. There's Twitch. There's TikTok. Should be up on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, the other TikTok, and we should be golden. All right, all right, all right. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. All right.
Limp Bizkit, baby.
Yes, there you go. Nice. I was wondering when somebody was going to recognize that. Woo!
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Chocolate starfish.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
You are a beautiful soul. All right.
My favorite CDs to practice to.
Yes. Love, love, love. Some Limp Bizkit. All right. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do the pre-market setup. Good morning, everybody, and welcome. We're running just a little bit late because we did so much extra training today in the VIP room. I'm sure the VIP members are not upset about that. Making money all morning long already. Everybody should be up. There should be nobody. There's not a dry eye in the house. Everybody has made money. They opened up the VIP green team door and money just started to flow in and pour all over them. Not a bad way to start your day. So real quick, before we do the pre-market setup, anybody in the VIP room, did anybody make money today? Go ahead, open your mics, let the world know.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
$1,600.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Very nice. LASE, by the way, getting ready to make new high day again over there. You got sellers sitting at 385. Everybody watch your L2. Let's go ahead and break down the pre-market. Again, thank you so much for being here. My name is Chad, aka The Coach. I'm a 30-plus year professional stock market trader and trainer. I am here every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern. This is American Dream Trading. You can always go to our website, which is posted up here. Get a free Discord, or of course you can join one of our paid memberships. But start with the free. Come on over, get all the ebooks, flashcards, games, how-to videos, get it set up, stock terms, right, and terminology, candlestick pattern reading, all that stuff for absolutely free. Head over there. Don't forget, we're also on YouTube all day, every single day. We've got over 2,000 videos on YouTube. Just do me a favor while you're watching all that amazing free content. Just click that subscribe. That's all I ask you to do, right? Just click subscribe. What broker do you work for? I do not work for a broker. If I worked for a broker, I'd be working a 9-to-5 job, and we would not. Let me repeat, we would not have over $100 million in real profits in this room if I was worked for a brokerage firm, because we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing, right? So since you want to ask one of the legal questions, let me go ahead and preface this by saying American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. So we're going to do the pre-market setup. All this is going to do is set you up, give you a couple of key critical areas to watch for at the open and throughout the day if they start to hang around those areas. And this will start to help you get a general picture of what could possibly happen in areas that you could trade from or work through throughout the day. All right, here we go, everybody. Bruno, are you in here?
Yes, sir.
Yay. All right, let's rock and roll. Apple, I I see this area up here around 90 cents, around 168, 90, but we're going to wait. We're going to say 169 to the upside on Apple, 169 on Apple, and 168.50 to the downside. But thank you again, Michael, for that question. I appreciate it. Oh, I thought he said he was a professional trader. I am. Sorry, must have misunderstood. Yep, no problem. Remember, professional is anybody that gets paid, and I get paid to trade. Therefore, that's called a professional. Don't worry, we'll help you throughout the day, Michael. We appreciate you being here. AMD. AMD. Let's see. AMD. Hold on. Look at AMD starting to get this pop already. So AMD, I would like to see this break up here, this 171 to the upside, which it's probably going to break before the bell, 25 minutes. It's getting a nice pop. But again, 171 up and 170.40 to the downside. That's AMD. Amazon. Let's see. Amazon. Yeah, I can see this critical level right here. 186.72 up. 185. $185.80 down. Google. 158.50 up. 157 down. Mara. By the way, if you guys have just now stumbled upon us, this is American Dream Trading. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the world. We appreciate you guys. We were featured at Inc.com if you guys want to check us out over there. Recognized as a leader in the industry. We've broken all the top sales and customer service records around the board. Just continuing to get better, all thanks to our amazing moderators who I will talk about in just a moment. I just want to make sure all our paid members get set up here real quick. Okay, Mara, $18 upside. $17.75 downside. Meta, $5.23 upside. This one is chop suey. Oh, right here. 5.21 downside. So $2 gap right there. Microsoft already touching up on this previous level. So we're going to use previous day high on this one. Doesn't always give us that, but we're going to do it here. So Microsoft, 427.30 up. This is a major level. 425, 425.50 down, and I know this is a huge gap. That's because that's what it did in that pre-market monster gap. Netflix. Netflix, 632.34 up. 630.29 down. $2 gap on that one as well. NVIDIA, 874.50 up. Yeah, hold on. This is the double top. Can everybody see this? This is a major level right here. This is, I just don't want you guys stuck on this spot. Can you guys see it? This 873.80, which by the way is actually 874. This is a major level. Can everybody see this? This is why I don't want to call this. Yeah, I don't want to call that because it's just too close. If it can't break that, you're just a sitting duck for a pullback. So this is why I'm giving it range in case you guys are like, Coach, but it's right there. Now you know. NVIDIA, 874.50 up. Just kind of the mind of why I do that, right? Okay, good. 874 up, 871 down. Don't forget, watch for VWAP and the 200 down there. Qs. Right here. Again, does everybody see the Qs up here? So 442.50 has to break on the Qs to the upside. Otherwise, it's never going to go any higher. See it? Okay, good. And 441. I mean, I like it better here. 441.85. Soxel. Same thing here. You can see a lot of this is riding on previous day movement. So 45.20 up. If you guys look, that was yesterday's high. A lot of times they don't give us something that exact, but it's really nice when they do that, by the way. It means more if it was a yesterday's previous high or low. So 45.21 up, 44.70 down. SPY. Same thing here. If you look at SPY, you see how that was, it's touching up here on yesterday's high. It's the exact same setup we were just talking about. So 520, let's give it a little bit more range. 520.25 up. Those are glorious, by the way, when they do this. These are major nice levels of pullback. And then when they break through, bullish, bullish sign, right? Those are beautiful when they're set up that way. So 520 and 25 cents up. 519. Let's go 519.50 here. This will take us right to VWAP on SPY. Last one, Tesla. Don't forget the digital thank you cards are available. Daddy's got to pay for these damn trees getting ripped out at my house. All right. Tesla, 174 up. See if there's anything else. Yeah, I don't like that. Oh, man, it's here or here. I'm going to take this out. Or 173 down. So 174 up, 173 down. All right, that's it. That's all of them. Thank you. Thank you. So again, I want to thank all my moderators as always. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Dawn, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Johan, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT the Female Trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McC. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you for being here, for helping out. Here at American Dream Trading, of course, the words that we live by is people helping people, and that's what everybody in this room is doing. The thing that I love about our community is once they've made millions, they don't just leave, right? You hear them come back. Now, obviously, some people have made so much money that they just come back, sprinkle in, talk every now and then. And I get it, right? Once you've made $20, $30 million inside of here at American Dream Trading, I don't expect you to just sit here with us all day long. You have a full life to live. I get it. I understand it. And you still hear from those people, though. They do come back. They do reach out. They do answer questions. They do try to help you. They, walk you through stuff. So it's great. You can see Nate is starting to get to that level, right? Nate is well over $4 million since joining American Dream Trading. One of our marks here, he's over, I think, last count was $4 million. Jimmy is over last count, 28 million. Brady's around 30 million. Right, there are people making so much money that I understand you can't live and breathe inside of American Dream Trading anymore. I get it. So I am just thankful that you are here when you are here, right? We've made over 10 millionaires so far from being here at a year and 8 months. We've retired well over, it's got to be around 150 people now. We see it all the time inside of our rooms when they've retired. So congratulations to you. If you've not found success yet, that's okay. Continue to train, educate, get better every single day. Remember, trading is extremely hard. There are no guarantees. This is an extremely hard job. Do not become another statistic, which is around 90 to 95% of all stock market traders will lose money. of course, if you don't have a mentor, you don't have any rules, you don't have any risk reward management style set up, you don't have any edge, like a 2-minute EWO or how I show you guys, right, to trade in these channels. If you don't have any of that, of course, you're going to blow up your accounts. You're going to think it's a casino and you're just going to become another statistic. So please don't do that. Invest in yourself in training, whether it's me or somebody else. Do not use any real money until you are actually ready to trade and understand the way that the stock market moves, the ebbs, the flows, the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, why it does what it does, until you understand news catalysts and things like this. Don't use any real money. You should just be trading in a paper or simulated account. There are tons of them out there. You should also be watching a lot of replays and rewinds throughout the day. TradingView allows you to rewind, right? So later in the day with its premium membership, you can go back and you can look at what the stock did and you can kind of figure out, where you would have bought in, what you would have done in a real-time like situation. So that's a really great tool to use. Again, I cannot stress enough. I keep seeing all the time, right, with the other TikTok people, and they're like, the first thing I would do is save a bunch of money so you can trade. That's incorrect. Don't do that. You should be saving a bunch of money for a rainy day emergency fund, making sure your family's okay. That isn't save a bunch of money so you can go in and throw it into the stock market and lose your ass off. That's foolish. So if anybody's telling you that, just run away, block them, ban them, bye. This is your real livelihood. This is your real money. You worked hard for it. You should hold on to that money. You need to get training before you do anything. You must walk before you run. You must follow the rules that we have in place, or you will definitely not be successful. Let me go over the rules. Make sure each and every day you have a journal. I use a digital journal. This is an Amazon Kindle. I also have this is the Kindle Scribe. I also have the Remarkable 2. You also have an iPad 12. You can use anything you want. You can use actual pen and paper. We've even got journals if you want to buy them, or just go to Walmart, buy any, regular notepad, something. You want to document your journey, what's going on, the mindset of your trades. Did you get in at the right time? Did you get out? Did you scalp it correctly? Did you shed correctly? What could you have done? What did you do? How did it work out? The emotions of the trade, etc. It's the most important thing that you will ever do as a trader. And until you do it, you won't find success. And you'll wonder why, because you're not following the rules. One of my other rules is never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you don't follow that rule, you're just going to lose all your money, and everything I say will go out the window. You'll be here for a week. We'll never see you again, and you'll lose your account. And that's it. I could turn the mic off right there. If you can't follow that rule, you're not going to be successful ever as a trader. You break that rule and you are toast. I don't care how good you are. I don't care what kind of luck you found. I don't care what happened. I don't care if you made $1 million last week. You break that rule, you're done. You're toast. You're going to become a statistic. We'll never see you again. You'll walk away and stock market trading is not for me. I guarantee it. If you want a guarantee out of American Dream Trading, I guarantee if you don't follow that rule, you're never going to be successful. How many people in here have blown up your account not following that rule alone? I'll raise my hand. Anybody?
Right here.
Yep.
Sir.
Yep.
Yes, coach.
Several times, coach.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I have.
Yep.
Coach, repeat the rule for me again.
1 to 3%. You are never allowed to lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day.
Amen.
Right? And I'm telling you right now, oh, coach, but I have a small account. I don't care. If you can't manage a small account, you can't manage a large account. What's the difference between $500 and $500,000? Nothing. It's you. You are what controls the account. If you can't make money off of a $100 account, you're not going to make money off $1 million account. Want to bet? Break that rule, lose your account. Pretty easy, right? Step on a crack, break your back. That's exactly what's going on in here. So again, follow the rules. If you have more than 2 red trading days in a row, what is the rule, everybody?
Take a break.
Stop trading with real money and go back to training with paper trading.
Boom. There you go. And I would recommend 3 to 4 weeks. Some people are like, Coach, but that's so long. Yeah, you want to know why? I am helping you to protect your assets while growing your portfolio. If you don't sit out, yes, thank you, Liv. Liv says sit out for a month. Absolutely. Because if your mind is not right, listen, it's not the market. Trust me, the market goes up and then the market goes down. Oh, I would have made so much money, but the market, wrong. If those words are coming out of your mouth, it's you, partner. Sorry to say, it's you. It has nothing to do with the market. The market doesn't care. It doesn't care what you bought. It doesn't care what you sell. It doesn't care about prices. None of that. It's you. So if you cannot control that and you have 2 red days in a row, seriously, take the next 3 to 4 weeks off. You will thank me later. I promise you. So the guarantees here are you break the rules, you lose your money. And I promise you, you will be happier protecting your assets while you're growing your portfolio. So if you've ever heard me say a promise or a guarantee, that's the only promise and guarantee I will give you ever in here, because nothing is promised and nothing is guaranteed. So again, if you're seeing some clickbaity, you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, just do these 3 easy steps. Bullshit. It's all crap. There's no such thing. It's trash. It's just garbage. Let's be honest, right? It's junk. I can tell you that right now. Because that person that's selling it would do those 3 easy things 1 billion times and they'd be on a mega yacht next to Elon. Let's be honest. Am I right? Yeah, I know. I am, of course. There you go. So again, follow these rules. Make sure you have a stop loss on each and every single trade. I don't care if it's shares or options. I don't care if it's a swing trade. I don't care what it is. You better have a stop loss in place. I don't care if you're doing a 2-minute EWO. Follow the rules. If you're scalping, follow the rules. You're trading in a channel, follow the rules. You know where to have the stops. And if you don't, you shouldn't be trading with real money. It's real simple. Am I right? It's real simple. By the way, LASE, new high a day VIP members up 175%. We called that out this morning, by the way. We have been trading this all morning long. 300 members in our VIP with their super printers turned on, walked them through every step of the way, exactly key critical areas, where they could be looking at possible entries, what it's doing, reading the L2, figuring out exactly where support and resistance are, all based off of different indications between the candles, the way they're moving, the patterns based off our volume in the L2s. Everybody in the VIP room, I don't care who you are, I don't care what was going on, every single person in the VIP should have made money today. Am I right?
Yes, Coach.
Correct, Coach.
Without exception. There's no exception. None. None yet. Now, obviously, if they weren't trading or they were looking at something else, or if they just drowned me out, or they were worried about making $6 because they saw something else running, well, you missed all the VIP training. You pay me to give you the training you need all the time. We made 3 masterclass training videos this morning out of all the VIP this morning while we were trading live inside of this room. This is what you guys are missing every single day. You are not a part of the VIP green team. I mean, you are literally, right, just saying, I don't want to get any better. I mean, it's just as simple as that. I'll be honest with you, right? So you need to study. You need to invest. That should be a rule in itself. You need to invest in yourself, right? Whether it's me or somebody else. One of your golden rules should be you should invest in yourself. You invest in your education. You invest in your training. And again, it doesn't have to be me. Maybe you don't like my personality. Maybe you think, we joke and we have fun and we laugh and we cry together and right in the highs and lows of the room. Maybe you just want some, something else. I don't know what you're looking for. That's okay. You can just scroll on by. Trust me, there are a million toddlers, YouTubers, and crypto kitties out there that are coming out of the woodwork with no experience. Like, I want to sell you Discord, $7.99 a week. They're everywhere, right? This is the real deal, Holyfield. We are going to train in here. I am going to get your mind right. We are going to work on the psychology of trading. We do that every day, all day long. Why, when, how, what, right? All day. So if this is not something like, if you're like not dedicated, I don't want a real person to train me. All I want to do is you tell me at this level and then sell at this level. You're not, that's not for you. Just scroll on by. Just keep on going. I want to teach you how to actually become a successful trader. So you have to actually train inside of this room. This is not a handout, right? This isn't guaranteed and promises and easy and all that. That's all garbage. Guys, that's trash. You need to show up every day, all day. So again, follow the rules every day. It doesn't matter. You don't get to cherry pick. You have to do them all. So again, small position sizes. We have to do small position sizes on every trade. Nate, are you still in that LASE or are you all the way out of that one, partner?
I'm out, coach.
And how much did you make off of 100 shares off of LASE with very minimal risk today?
I took $107.
$107 off of a $100 risk. By the way, he bought it around $2.60. So he had $260 inside of LASE. He collected $107. Now, right now,
another $5, coach.
What's that? I'm sorry.
I made another $5 off of it. I was late to the party, so I got in,
Nice job.
watched the candles, and made another $5.
Nice job. Now here's what's funny. Some of you are going to be like, oh, but it's only $100. Let me tell you something. Let me just tell you something. Nate's made over, how much have you made, Nate, since joining American Dream Trading?
It's over $4 million.
Over $4 million. And he is ecstatic, I'm sure, about this $100. You want to know why? That's another $100 added today off of a very successful trade, doing the right things with very minimal risk. Isn't that an amazing trade, Nate? Even at $100 and you've made $4 million in here?
Oh yeah, it was stupid trade. It was very simple.
And that's what it's about. You guys, as long as we're accumulating and not giving back, this is what it's about. This is why I always say every day a green trade, I don't care if it's 10 cents, is going to be better, I promise you, than your red days. Think about that. The day that you've made $1 green, I bet it's better than the day you lost $100, $1,000, $10,000, or $100,000. Am I right? Wouldn't you rather walk away with $1 gain than losing $50,000?
Oh yes.
Absolutely.
It's
If
all.
$100 doesn't sound good to you, then you're crazy.
That's right. It's all about accumulating the money, right? Because remember, the larger the pool of money you have, the more risks you have out here. And this is why and it should be one of your golden rules, right? Is that once you've had either a very successful day, successful week, successful month, whatever it is, take that money out. Go pay down some debt. Go invest it into something you've wanted to. Make sure you've got that emergency fund, your 401ks, your IRAs, your Roth IRAs, right? Make sure your health insurance is up to date. Go buy those tires on the car you need. Go buy an extra month of groceries. Make sure you donate to your church or other causes that you love, right? You have those successful days. Go do something with that money. You don't need to leave it in here to give it back on the next day, the next week, or the next month. Does that make sense? I want everybody to use this money. This is a tool. This is a tool for you that creates freedom. So please make sure, if you guys like the information you're getting today, I know I'm rambling and talking for a very long time, and we've got about a minute and a half. Do me a favor, double tap that screen today. I want to see as many likes as you can get on these videos today. We provide more free content than any other creator has ever done in the history of stock market education and training. Real quick, before we get going, I'm just going to talk about my products and services, but I always want to thank my military family. Here at American Dream Trading, we appreciate, respect, honor you every day. Thank you for those that have served or that are serving. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force now, 8 years. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you and everybody else. And of course, thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Yo.
Did I hear a car horn in there too?
You did. Hell yeah, getting everybody involved. I love it.
Let's roll, y'all.
All right, thank you. Okay, here we go. I appreciate that. God bless your son. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Okay, listen, we've only got about 30 seconds to the bell, so we might as well talk about how do I get paid? Well, how does a coach get paid? Because I am a full-time trainer, believe it or not. I don't get paid to trade stocks. I get paid to train you to understand the stock market. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. We've got membership starting at $200. With a $200 membership, you'll have access immediately to Zoom. We have 518 participants inside of the Zoom right now. You guys will also get the videos on demand, the membership lounge, the hot stock picks, and the pre-market setup. And of course, those videos on demand, like I discussed. If you're ready to step it up, join the VIP membership. The VIP membership starts at $2,500 per year. Make sure you use the code SPRING500 to take $500 off VIP, VIP Gold, or VIP Gold Complete. With the VIP membership, you guys will get access to the VIP lounge. You're going to get the you're going to get the masterclass training with me every day at 8:15. Masterclass training videos. You're going to get all the workshop classes for free inside of that as well. Otherwise, you guys can look at the VIP Gold membership. Same thing, $2,500. You get a free one-on-one, free tech support, free help desk priority support, and mastermind classes and weekend training, all that and more. Head on over, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Make sure you guys follow the rules. Love your faces. We're now 30 seconds behind. Here we go. Rock and roll. All right. Just like that. Okay, remember, make sure your call-outs are clear and concise. Make sure we know if they are up or down on the first 2-minute EWO. That would help out greatly. Thank you very much.
NVIDIA in your ID.
And how does the 2-minute EWO look, Nan, if you're going to call that?
It's been already in it, so first, green. It's all green.
Okay, thank you. 2-minute EWO already to the upside on NVIDIA. Remember, if you're a newer trader, don't trade the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. The first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes of the trading day is the most dangerous. Please be careful. You're going to see a lot of chop. Thank you.
Soxel to the upside.
Thank you. Soxel is moving to the upside following NVIDIA. That means AMD is probably also up as nope. AMD is crashing out and below pre-market setup level. Check out AMD. Thank you. Interesting. Soxel up, AMD down. GRWG starting to get some movement. Yep, I'm losing internet over here.
Yeah, MIDA.
Oh, you sound better though
than you
did 10 seconds ago.
All right, thank you. SPY to the upside. SPY to the upside. 2-minute EWO on SPY to the upside right now.
MIDA.
Thank you. MDIA to the upside. Thank you. Wasn't that a hot stock pick?
Meta still cranking up to the upside in your ID.
Thank you. It was not today. Nope.
Coach,
it was
it's not.
Nope, it's not.
It was MYMD is your hot stock pick.
Yep, we're going to add it. Add MDIA off volume to hot stock picks, if you would, Bruno. Thank you.
Coach, Neo to the upside.
Neo to the upside, 3.5%. Thank you very much. Tesla as well, starting to make a move to the upside here. That is Tesla. Wait for that pre-market setup. Everybody see that 174 is critical for Tesla, yes? That's a big deal on Tesla over there, 174. Everybody sees it, I hope. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Apple fading. AMD still to the downside. AMD's crashing out. Check out AMD. AMD is just crashing and burning. Everybody, look at AMD to the downside. Look at those puts. Super printer on puts. Everybody see it?
Video also.
Thank you.
Microsoft too in your lower day.
Okay, thank you. AMD continuing to crash out. There it goes.
Pfizer is going up. PFE.
Thank you. Look at AMD crashing out. Everybody see that? Look at that. Lights out on AMD. Nice, nice. AMD still to the downside. 2-minute EWOers. AMD, look at this. Nicey nice. See if it's got more to give. Let me pull this up on TradingView here. Oh yeah, still pulling on AMD. Anybody in those puts?
Yes, sir, Coach.
Thank you. Still pulling. We'll see what it wants to do.
I am, Coach.
Look at SPY crashing. SPY to the downside. Tesla downside.
Meta downside too. Amazon downside.
Thank you. Let's see. AMD found support at 168.23. We'll see if it's got more to give. Watching AMD. Apple starting to move to the upside. Tesla's still to the downside. The Qs are still to the downside. Looking for support on the Qs here. We'll see what it wants to do. AMD still heavy. AMD starting to pop off VWAP again. Found support at 168.23. See what it wants to do. Tesla's still falling. Tesla's still falling over there. Q's still down. SPY still down. Apple cannot break that 169. Let me know if you guys see anything. Let's see. AMD touching that 200 MA. See if it's going to break the 200 MA or not.
Google new high to the upside.
Thank you. Apple popping off. Yep, Google to the upside now. Broke our pre-market 158.50. 158.50 over there on Google. Let's see. AMD's still climbing to the upside. That's AMD is now green. Support was at 168.23. It's pushing up on that 171 now for AMD. That's our pre-market upside. Everybody see that on AMD? It's now 9:38, only 8 minutes in the bell here. Tesla's still to the downside.
Apple new high.
Thank you. Apple continuing to climb. So is Google.
Amazon first red.
Amazon first red. Thank you. That's 2-minute EWO to the downside first on Amazon. Broke.
Microsoft first green.
Thank you. It broke below VWAP and the 200 on Amazon. Everybody see it? Amazon continuing to pull. AMD still on that critical level, that 171. If it can't break 171, you're going to get a pullback. Still waiting on AMD to see what it wants to do here at 171. Amazon continuing to pull back. SPY is very flat. Don't touch SPY. This thing is choppy on SPY. Do you see it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's terrible. Don't touch that. It can't figure out around VWAP.
Coach?
Yep.
News on Tesla. Lawsuit over a 2018 car crash that killed an Apple engineer after his Model X operating on autopilot settled.
Oh, wow. Okay, so Tesla could pop. That just come out?
2 minutes ago.
All right, thank you.
that was last night's news.
Was it? Okay,
Yeah,
thank
I
you.
saw some
Yes.
news.
Okay,
Settled it. Apparently it was in Tesla's favor, but they don't want it to go out publicly,
correct.
even though it's.
There's too much in the autopilot stuff right now.
Yep, I got you. Thank you.
Apple, wow, new high dates, crank it up, coach.
Thank you. AMD as well. AMD is broke that 171. Let's see. Apple still to the upside. Moving up nicely on Apple. 0.8% now on Apple.
Microsoft second green, new high day.
Thank you. AMD going for it. First 2-minute EWO upside on AMD. Tesla, huge spike in volume coming in. AMD's up here on this big double top from yesterday, 170, 169. 170, 166. Be careful here on AMD if you're trying to go upside. See it? Tesla had a nice little pop there. We're going to keep an eye on that.
Second read on Amazon, but it found a little support.
Okay, thank you. Let's take a look.
Careful, Apple. Previous heavy support.
Okay,
Resistance.
thank you. Yeah, and Amazon, I've got a gold level down here at this 185.16. So there's something to this Amazon here. So be careful on support down here around 185. See it?
Coach watch Pfizer. Stepping up.
Thank you. PFE. Pfizer, great for small accounts. They're stepping to the upside 2%. Good call out. Thank you, Nate.
Yeah, I'm up $2,800 on that trade.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Nice job. Pfizer continuing to move to the upside. I like it.
Still in it.
XPEV, there's an old classic, is up. XPEV is up today, 7%. Great for small accounts.
GSM up 3.5% and moving to the upside.
All right, thank you. Good call out. MSGM up 37%, getting lots more volume in here. MSGM. Take a look. MSGM. Sellers sitting at 3.0. Yep, right where it was sold off. 3.07. That is MSGM. Pulling back here, sitting on VWAP. See if that's got any more. MGAM, MGAM. Global Esports starting to move to the upside. 2.3 million volume, 54%. Moving up nicely here, getting a lot of volume. It's only 20 cents right now, 19 cents on this stock. This is a great one for small accounts. Everybody see MGAM? It's a nice quick scalp small account setup. Everybody see it? It's popping off 78. It's gone up 30% since I said it. MGAM. All right.
Tesla in its second 2 minutes, green above pre-market.
Okay, thank you. That's MGAM. See if this can hold up here. Sellers at 21.15. 21.15 on the L2. Keep an eye on it. Moderna continuing to climb. Called this earlier. mRNA. Moderna continuing to go to the upside here. SPY pulling hard. SPY's pulling big time here. SPY starting to make a move and show us to the downside. You see SPY here?
Yeah, it's peeking out a ready WO.
Yep. Keep an eye on that with SPY. Starting to work its way to an EWO to the downside, but we'll see. Moderna, new high a day, 5.5%. Did anybody get in on Moderna earlier? No? Okay. Let's see. MGAM, new high a day, 93%. That is now up 40% since I called it out. Did anybody get in that MGAM? Now 100%.
I'm in it, coach.
Thank you.
I'm in it, coach.
Thank you. Yep, that's a
Looks like
nice.
Burj Khalifa.
Yeah, that's a nice trade. Look at that.
Woo. Rocket ship.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Called it at 18 cents. It's at 24 cents right now. That's nice. Massive volume in there.
I got it late and I'm already up 20%.
Yeah, nice job. MGAM, like I said, great for small accounts. If you listened to the sound of my voice, you are loving life right now. Nice. AMD is finding resistance around 170, 160. It has to break that before it's going to make the next leg to the upside. That's AMD. BlackBerry, we haven't heard them in a while. They're up 10% today on high volume, 4 million. XPEV continuing to climb. Moderna, same. Neo starting to fade a little bit. GRWG, our weed stock, still moving to the upside. Lucid is now starting to pull back a little bit here. Tesla found resistance up there at that 174.78. You can see it in TradingView, but it's starting to get more volume again. Tesla starting to pop to the upside again.
First red on spot.
Thank you. First 2-minute EWO on SPY. Everybody hear that?
Sorry, I lost my voice.
No problem. Piton continuing to climb here. So Piton to the upside. Not a ton of volume, but it is moving up. AMD starting to pull back again. It has to break 171. Oh, SPY crashing. SPY is lights out here. Wow. Tesla to the upside here. Tesla's popping nice. That's beautiful.
MGAM.
Yep.
Day.
Oh, beautiful. Good. I love hearing that. Nice job. Anybody get in on that MGAM? That's nice.
Yes, coach.
Yes, great job. Oh, AMD crashing right out. Now below VWAP.
Coach.
Yep.
I'm trading on that ROG.
Nice. Yeah, MGAM new high a day.
In on it.
Nice job.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're very welcome. That's beautiful. Up now 146% on MGAM.
Sold at $500.
Nice job, partner. Look at that. Nice. And all you had to do was listen to the sound of my voice. Love it. All right. AMD finding support at VWAP and the 200. If that can't hold, anticipate AMD new low a day. Do you hear me? It's got to find support here. I hope you heard me. AMD lovers, pay attention. There it goes. It has to hold. I mean, that's critical. The 200 and VWAP. See if that can hold support. If not, lights out. Tesla, if you're watching our 2-minute EWO indicators on TradingView, you can see that's resistance up there. VIP members, do you see that?
What's up?
Do you know what a rocker switch is?
I do. Bazooka Joe. All right, here comes AMD. I told you if that can't hold the 200 and VWAP, look for new low. So if that can't hold in this area, look for this thing to pull, looking for a double bottom here. See it? We'll see if this can hold. It's looking for support still. I got a gold level marked AMD 170. Gold level marked AMD 170. Look at SPY. Anybody in that SPY dumpster fire?
Yes.
Thank you.
I have 14 contracts.
Nice job.
Thank you.
There goes AMD bleeding out. Did anybody get in those puts just below VWAP and that 200? You're in the money. Move your stops.
Might freak people out, but I'm in SPY, coach.
Thank you. Did everybody hear me on that AMD?
Yes, sir.
Move your stops. This is a critical level. Now this 170 is everything to AMD. This is everything.
Tesla, keep going up.
Thank you. Yep. Tesla's trying to break through that resistance. Nice. MGAM found high at 32.322 cents. So 32 cents.
Coach, what do you think of Amazon?
Still to the downside. 2-minute EWO looks beautiful. I've got a gold level at 185.16. This is where I said this is going to be support. See it?
Yes. Thank you.
Yep. Just like AMD, 170 is everything to AMD, and I've got it marked on my screen, gold level. I'm bullish above, bearish below. Makes it pretty easy here to be watching this.
Amazon flirting with your gold level also, coach.
Yep, I'm watching it. And if you look at SPY, it's sitting down here. Support 519, but it looks heavy.
Yeah, I'd like to see it reach that 118.58. That's from last week where it did all that crazy falling and all that chaos.
Yeah, for sure. So if you see Apple pull here, that's going to help SPY big time, right? Yeah, there goes SPY. Bye. Anybody in those SPY puts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nice job.
46%.
Nice, 46%. Wow, nice job. Nice and nice. Look at AMD still. Victoriano, go ahead.
Hello, coach. I got 31% on 2 Neo calls.
Nice job, partner. Nice job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you trade it successfully? Did you do all the things you wanted to, and then you documented it in your journal?
I did.
Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Fubo, F-U-B-O, starting to make a move to the upside here. Looking good at 3.79. Piton continuing to rip. Did anybody get on that Piton? Called this around 380. It's now at 390, continuing to climb.
Tesla, new high day.
Thank you. Moderna, new high. Did anybody get in that Moderna? Been calling that all morning. Still climbing. Anybody? Moderna? That's a big one. 7%. All right, no worries. I know we're calling a lot. It's okay. Pick your poison, right? Find out what you like.
Coach, we need cake. That was my first SPY put ever.
Oh, nice job. So still, yeah, it's still to the downside.
Yes, sir. Still getting it.
Yeah, it's still
I
printing.
shaved. I was scared. I shaved.
No, that's good. 50, 20, 20, 10, right, partner? Or if you have two.
All right, coach.
Yeah, or if
Yes,
you
sir.
have two, then 50, and then wait for the other 50, right?
I took 5-3.
Yeah, there you go. That's okay. Whatever you're comfortable with. You just want to get in the idea of not just always dumping everything, right? That's what I'm training you for.
Welcome to SPY, TJ.
Yep, nice job. Just be careful. Spy's the widowmaker.
Yes, sir. That's what I tell everybody. I figure I had to put my toe in it before I keep running my mouth.
Yeah. It's can be brutal.
Prepare to fall in love. You are now in a volatile relationship.
Yeah, it can be
But
dangerous.
also pay nicely.
Yep. Tesla continuing to climb to the upside. AMD is just trying to figure out what it wants to do. It's just completely flat, sitting on VWAP. I told you though, that 170 is going to be everything for this thing. Just watching the market. Apple still heavy.
Google on your high.
Thank you. Yep, Google's new high. Qs are down. SPY is down. Tesla is up. AMD is flat. Now, the other thing with AMD, if this goes from green to red, so if you look at it, it's only up 0.1%. If that goes red, right, that's also going to be bearish. People are going to start to sell this thing off like crazy. There's your below your 170 break on AMD. There's your break, AMD scalpers. You see that at below 170.
38% on SPY put.
Oh, nice job. Nice. Yeah, AMD just keeps dancing with 170. Make that money every time it breaks. Make it. It's going to be quick until this decides pop or drop. But SPY is heavy. Qs are heavy. Let's see. Google is up 2%. Apple's up 0.5%. SPY is still so heavy. You see how it's staying flat down here? This should have already springboarded to the upside. Do you see it? No springboard.
HDRV on the up.
Thank you. There is no support yet on SPY. Not yet. There's nothing is bounced. I mean, we don't even have a buy candle that popped and drove this up yet. Do you see SPY? And now look at where SPY's at. This could be support. Be careful on SPY. Do you see how it's at green and red? 0.03%. This could be where the battle begins for SPY. This is support. Be careful. Everybody hear what I just said?
Yes.
Yep.
I'm thinking the same thing.
Yeah, this is the battle. It's the same thing with AMD, right? I said the exact same thing. AMD, if this goes green to red here, this is the battle, which is funny because it's exactly 170, right? This is the battle.
Shift change. And Apple's getting a pop.
Shift change minute, 40 seconds. Thank you.
Well, let's hope the Bears win.
Yeah, we will see. Go, duh, Bears, right?
Bears.
There it goes.
If you're heavy in the push, shit on your way down.
That's right. There goes AMD below that 170, and now it's red. AMD below 170 in red. Here's your scalp again, everybody, right? Quick scalps below 170. They're just quick. Take them. And then see if it's going to pull. Yep.
Check out PANW.
Okay.
Climbing.
Yep. I see it 2%. That's low volume though. But yeah, looking good over there.
Yes, GM to unhalt in 10 seconds. So the upside.
Okay. BSGM, is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. BSGM about to unhalt. Thank you.
Tesla still cranking up new high day.
Yep, thank you. Tesla's still up. You see SPY right here? This is support. That green to red level. I got 518.80. If it breaks that, lights out again. AMD traders, you're below 170, yes? Every time. That thing just is a gift that keeps on giving. That's so nice. AMD crashing out. It's below 170. It's now red, so it's flipped green to red. 170 is everything. See what it can do. SPY, same thing. Dancing with the devil right here. Flipping between green and red. Same situation. Apple starting to make a move to the upside. Apple is slowly breathing up. Coming up to a double top around 170-ish.
34% on the call from the break.
Oh, nice job.
Shift change.
Yep, here we go. Shift change. More volume in the market. See what's going to happen. SPY's popping off that 518.80, but nothing substantial yet. There goes AMD continuing to bleed. Did anybody get those AMD puts?
I did, Coach. What's my?
Yep, thank you. That was on the break of 170. You're at 169.50 now. That's a nice move. Just quick scalp take this thing until it shows us the way, but we have flipped green to red. Move your stops.
Google new high.
Thank you. Apple coming up on a double top.
Yes, GM still climbing at 125%.
Thank you. There goes SPY. SPY is touching that 518.80 support level we discussed. Everybody see it?
Halted. Halted, Mark.
BSGM halted again.
Thank you. BSGM has halted to the upside, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Nice. Everybody's posting their profits. Make sure you guys are posting your profits in there for us today. If we get time, we'll read those out again. Post your profits. AMD still below 170. It's still sitting here. SPY's flat as hell. Apple double top. So here's the thing. If we were trading SPY, if Apple pulls on a double top because that's resistance, you're going to watch SPY pull again here, right? Most likely. Anyways, that's how we can kind of use these two. Because isn't it puts on resistance for Apple?
Yes, sir.
So if that's the case, and since it's 8% of the S&P 500, you could see the S&P pull. So this is going to be a big deal right here if it does happen. But again, this is the battleground for SPY, 518.80. This is support. Isn't that what we called?
Yep.
Yep. So be careful down here.
Nice.
Tesla is the gift that keep on giving. Yeah, hi there.
Yep,
Holy
Tesla.
cow.
Yep, Tesla continuing to crank. Does anybody remember when Tesla hit what was it, 165, and I said Tesla looks great right there? That was $12
And you
ago.
did say will pop.
Yep, that was $12 ago.
I saw someone, one company put a price target now of 300 on Tesla.
Oh, what do you know?
Oh, didn't you call Moderna?
Yes, sir. Is it still climbing?
Been in it since $109. It's up to 114.
Oh my.
300 shares. I am killing
Oh, nice job. Great job, Nate.
it. Yeah.
Love it. Tesla continuing to crank to the upside. There was your SPY bounce on support, but it has not made an aggressive move to the upside, which means it's still heavy. But if you were looking to buy puts and you did it there, you're like, damn it, every time I buy in. Yeah, you bought in at support, right?
Yeah.
So it's like every time I buy in, it goes against me. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Stop buying puts on support.
People wait too long to get confident.
Yes. And then it's right. And then you're against the grain and then you sell because it's red, and then it goes where it was already, and then you're like, oh, damn it, I should have held on.
Yeah, that's the difference between emotional trading and trading the trade.
That's correct. That is absolutely right. You must
Yeah, could you
trade the trade.
straddle that line?
Yes, you could straddle that line. Yep. Absolutely.
Coach, TikTok is down.
Oh, thank you.
Mark, what's the on-hold time on BSGM? You know?
10:06:32 seconds.
06.
I'm up $1.60 a share on that.
Nice job. Continuing to climb. By the way, Moderna still up here in the clouds. 115.15.
Yes. I'm just letting it trade. I ain't even touching it.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, call out was what, around 109? It's now we have a new high a day, 115.50.
Yeah.
Nice job. XPEV called that earlier as well. New high a day. Neo, new high a day. Piton, we called this at $3.80. It's now $3.95. Fubo, new high a day. Everything we're calling, cranking. Your Pfizer that you called earlier, Nate, new high a day.
Yeah.
Spy sitting on support again. Now this is what'll burn some of you newer traders. So you will have bought puts on support, and then it drove up, and then it went red and against you. Then you sold them, and now we're back to where you originally bought them, and you're like, damn it, I should have just held on, right?
Oh, and get ready for on-hold.
Well, technically, it was not the right time to buy it anyway.
That is correct. And you sure the hell shouldn't be buying puts on support.
I mean, the EW is about 10 candles earlier.
Yeah, exactly. BSGM is live at 137, 133. Big pullback. Yep. Oh, look at, there goes AMD bleeding out. There goes AMD bleeding out. Look at that. Woo. Wow.
Microsoft breaking the 200.
To the upside or downside?
Sorry, Coach, downside.
Thank you. There's AMD below that 170. Did anybody buy those puts? That's glorious.
NVIDIA is also crashing yellow there.
Thank you. Talk to me.
It's still going, Coach. It's still moving up.
Which one, Pfizer or Moderna?
Moderna. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh, dude. That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost $116 now. Yeah, that's juicy. Good job, Nate. Congratulations, buddy. Now, remember, Nate has this great knack, just like Jimmy did, listening to the sound of my voice. Now, notice, Nate has made over $4 million in this room, and Nate still listens when I have call-outs. Don't you, Nate?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He's just, it's still.
I'm at 6,100 this morning so far.
Nice job. 6,100. Wow. Nice job. Still waiting for AMD to come down here and test this double bottom. It broke.
Coach.
Yeah.
168.40 for AMD there.
Yeah, I've got, now I marked 60, but I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, right here. See this?
Yeah. Yep.
So so actually double bottom, it's not going to be this 20. It's going to be 168.60, which could be a little early, right? So it could be a little before that because people will try to sell, before that mark.
Like me.
Yep. Yep. So did anybody get in on these AMD puts on the break of 170? I told you that was everything, and I told you as long as it stayed below, your asses should be printing tons of money. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Still got 4 open.
Yep.
Save 2.
Nice job. Nicey nice. Now remember, it's going to try to find support before 168.60. It's It's trying to do it at 169, but this is weak sauce. But we'll see. But the closer it gets to 168.60, watch for a bounce.
I've got a previous history. Let's see. I've got a previous history of 168.84 hitting several times.
Okay, and that would make sense because that's close to the 60, which it hit yesterday was right here. So that makes sense. All right, let's see what we've got.
Moderna finally a breathe back.
Yep, I see it. Yeah, back down to 114.89. What a great run.
Yes.
Nice job. You had 300 shares on that?
300 shares.
Nice job. Holy crap. Holy crapalini.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah. My trading day is getting ready to end here in about 20 minutes.
Yep. Nice job. Another glorious day here at American Dream Trading, right, Nate?
Best place to be.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you being here.
SPY wants to break this level so bad. It's trying.
It really does. Here's AMD
It
pushing.
wants to go, Coach.
Yep, it does. Does everybody remember I said if AMD breaks this VWAP, the 200 and the 170, it's going to be looking for new low a day down here on this double bottom. Yes? Here we are. And everybody thought I was crazy because it decided to pop up.
Hey, Doc, MDIA, high of the day. You called it a little while ago.
Nice job. MDIA, new high day. Thank you. There goes SPY breaking that 518.80. Let's see if that can knife drop out of there. That would be a nice.
At the 58-cent mark.
Yep, that would be nice.
New low a day on Dale. New low a day.
Thank you. Did you guys hear that? That's DT, the female trucker right there, the one and only.
That's her.
Woo! Welcome back.
Coach, I swear those two trades, Moderna and Pfizer, those are job killers right there. Both of those.
Yeah, absolutely, right? Yeah, yes. I agree. Now, Nate.
Yes.
Could you imagine if you had 100 contracts in there?
No.
Right. Yeah.
I hate options.
That'd be about $30,000 on Moderna, by the way.
Hate it.
Yep. I got you. You just trade those shares, partner. I love what you're doing. Yep. Don't you ever change. It's perfect.
Nope. Hate it.
AMD is down here. This is close enough for a double bottom, 168.86. So this is close to this double bottom that we talked about because I had 168.60 marked. It's going to fight this area here. This whole area. Yep.
I cannot believe Tesla. It's crazy. It's still new high day.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Again, if you listen to me when that thing hit that one, I think it was 165, you're loving life. Everybody was crying and running and screaming and hollering and hooting and all sorts of stupidness, right? Tesla's going to 104 again right now. Not.
Yeah. Coach.
Yep.
About Tesla.
Yep.
Like I'm already in it, but I want to add to my position. Do you think it's too late with this run, or should I wait for a pullback?
Let me look. No, it's not too late, partner. Knock on wood. Just remember you're risk adverse, but no, I'm going to say right here at 178.23, you're still golden. Let me double check though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah,
I think it's going to in the 80s.
Yeah, now hold on. Do you see this 177.19?
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait right here. Let me see. No, as long as you stay above 117.20, you're golden, but this is a big area for it, okay?
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yep. Right here, AMD, I told you right here this looks like the spot. If it's going to bounce, I said this was it, right? Called it exactly right there, didn't I?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
You did.
Yep.
Nailed it.
Yep. So I said the closer it gets to that key critical area is where it's going to try to find support. So again, if everybody's like, I'm buying puts, you're buying them at support. Stop doing that. It's calls on support and puts on resistance.
The call ports.
Yep. Tesla 178.66. It's staying up there tall, partner, above that 178.20-ish, right?
It's crazy.
Yep. Oh yeah, getting lots of volume. I like
wish
it.
I would have been in it, but I could not today. So it was too much today.
Yep, it happens.
It happened.
Yep.
Which I hate these contracts. I can't do these things.
What did you get, Nate? What did you get?
I tried to jump in Pfizer, and that thing, I don't understand. There's something I'm doing wrong. I hate these damn things.
Yeah, just let me look. Well, it's still to the upside, partner. You're still moving.
I know, but
you got a wall coming at 27.39, and if it pulls back on this wall, it's gonna wreck them calls real quick. But it's still moving up. You're still good.
I ain't messing with them things.
All right, I don't blame you.
God.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, I'm still making money with the shares. I mean,
yeah, then why do it, right?
I was just gonna try it and see, but them two little dojis right there, they just cut my ass. I'm not playing with them things.
Yeah. Well, just remember, Nate. Just do like 1 or 2 contracts just to get a feel for it, right? For movement. Yeah. Just get a feel for it. AMD. This was the pop. This was support. It hit 168. Let me look. 168.75, but I told you the closer it gets to it, this was going to be support. And boom, what do you know? Double bottom support, bounce, textbook, right? Tesla, still to the upside, partner. You said, did you still have room? You're up $1. You asked me at 178.20. You're up $1 on it. See it? Nice.
Yeah, that thing is not stopping.
Hey, coach, does this look like a good 2-minute EWL on Amazon?
Let me look. Let's see. Let me pull it up on the big screen. Hold on.
Needs to get it over 180.
Yeah, 186.50 is a major level. So yes, if it stays above 186.50 in your 2-minute EWO, you're golden. Yep.
Well, thanks.
All right, hold on. Let me go back.
Coach, I've got April, July, and October calls on Tesla.
So the allow is that subset has to do.
Hold on, let me mute all these mics. I don't know what the hell happened there. The mics just went crazy. All right, now AMD touching 170. What is 170 on the way up?
Resistance.
There you go.
Resistance.
There it is. Yep.
And it's VWAP.
Yep. And it's our gold level 170, right?
That's funny. Apple's at the same level, 170.
Yeah, and what did it do, everybody, right here? This is where I swear somebody would go, oh, this is a great time to buy calls.
No, that's a pullback.
Does everybody see it exactly to the penny what it did?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
What do you know?
It's crazy.
Hey, good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Hadn't seen you in a day or two.
Welcome back, Paul.
Hey, nice to see you. Hope everybody's doing good.
Absolutely.
I got in yesterday on some meta calls late in the afternoon. I caught Ted and Mark talking about meta. I got over, did a little research. Sold those all first thing this morning, made $1,500.
Nice.
I was just looking at AMD.
Uh-huh.
It looks like it was in a descending wedge. It broke out and then touched the 170 at VWAP, and then now it's coming back down to looks like the bottom of the channel there.
Yep.
So it looks like that maybe some support right there, 169.50.
We've been calling AMD to the penny all morning, partner.
You taught me too well,
yeah,
dude.
yeah. You were out right on the money. 170s are gold level. We called support at 168.60 and it bounced at 75. I said the closer it gets to 60, which is exactly right here at 75. I said right here, if this is going to be support, this is it. It bounced and I said right here at VWAP or our 170 key critical level, this is going to pull, and there was our pull. And I said up here, if it breaks VWAP and the 200, you're going to get a pull down here to the double bottom. We called every single thing out all morning to the penny.
The penny.
The penny.
I mean, the penny.
Yep.
And I hadn't been in here. I hadn't traded in 2 weeks, but I just
there you go.
Got in here just yesterday late. It's like riding a bike, dude. You
It
taught
is.
us so well.
That's awesome. Nice job, Paul. Welcome back, man. That's awesome.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And
You're
by the
welcome.
way, I don't know if you remember calling out Tesla a while back, but I bought TSLT shares.
Yep.
And about 1,500 shares at $9.13, I believe it was. So
Yep.
you know where I am right now.
I do. And you know what's funny? We just talked about that 10 minutes ago. What did I say in here, everybody? I said when Tesla hit 165, I said I loved it here, didn't I? Guess what? Paul listened.
Yeah, I got TSLT, so what, 11, almost 1150 now. So, and I
Yeah.
think there's room to go there on Tesla. People have underestimated it.
Absolutely. And then we had ARK Investment started buying it up last week. They bought like $80 million in the last 2 weeks. And I said, everybody, didn't I? I said, it looks like I said, somebody's buying it up. And they did on that day, and I showed you why and what it was doing and the volume, and it was holding itself up. And I said, this looks good. And then boom, what do you know? And here we are. Everybody should be making money, right? It's glorious. Welcome back, Paul. Just another day at the office here at American Dream Trading.
Yeah, I'm going to have to get a T-shirt or hat or something to take over to the Derby so we can take some pictures. I'm going to put the hat on the horse or something.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, that would be awesome, man. I just got in a case of them. I just ordered 10 of these hats. I literally have a whole case. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Of course, I have a bunch on my head. My son always steals them when he comes over, so I have to keep reloading.
Do you ship to Mexico?
I don't know if it does or not. You'll have to check.
Coach, I got 2 of those sons that keep taking stuff.
Yeah. He loves it. Right here, look. Thought I was kidding. Can you guys see? Look at.
Dang, Coach.
Yeah, I'm not messing around.
Yeah, I'm going to order one right now.
Yep, I've got every color we make. The pink ones aren't in here. I bought some pink ones for my wife, of course. I've got the all black, the black and white, the blue and white. I've got them. I mean, look. I'm not kidding around. I told you, man, I love these hats. Not just because it's our logo, because I promise you, if they were crap hats, we would not be using the vendor. These hats are amazing. That doesn't include the ones I have on standby right here. There you go, right? See, I've got 3 on standby right here. And 1 on my head. I don't mess around. You got to have them. They're must-haves.
They are must-haves, Coach. When are you going to get Army fatigue? Like the Army fatigue with the
I don't know.
Dream logo?
Yeah, that would be cool. I'll have to see. I don't know if they have that. Yeah, that would be really cool. I'll have to see if they have that. We're limited, by the store of what they have, but.
Yeah, I like the huts though. They're 100% cotton. Like I have both of them. I have the trucker style. I have So
yep.
They're nice. Very nice.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And you make them look amazing. I just look like some old man in a hat, but you look good in it.
Coach, thank you.
But Coach, if your son is stealing the hats, maybe some are getting to some more military people, and you're going to get more people. Spread the word.
Yeah, they are absolutely. Yeah, all of his buddies are in here, by the way. Yeah, they are because of that. AMD, by the way, 170. This is that same area again. It's touching
We're
170.
gonna run and go get some more detergent.
Hold on 1 second. AMD 170 again. Same spot. It came up. It touched the 200. This is VWAP, and here's 170. This is critical again. Scalpers, though, you can just keep making your money every time this makes these moves off these areas that you know. These are beautiful for scalping, right? Just beautiful. Let's see. Nice, nice. Let's see. Checking some
Coach,
comments.
quick question.
Go ahead.
If the 55's crossing the 200 on SPY, is that a critical level?
The 21 crossing the 55, yes. Trilly for really says, man, this is great. Just watching you, I'm learning a lot. I'm about to put all my money into your VIP. Can't wait to talk to you and with you and learn. Absolutely. Come on over here, man. Appreciate that. Come on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. By the way, Trilly and anybody else who's interested, don't forget to use the code SPRING500. You will get $500 off the first year of a VIP membership. We have VIP, VIP Gold, and VIP Complete, which is all of our products and services. But please use the code SPRING500 right now. Let's
Coach,
see.
I think one of your TikToks was down.
Is it? Moderators? I can't see. I think it's up. I think they're up.
AD coach is up.
Okay. Yeah, I think they're up.
Yeah,
you.
Coach, you're both up. I'm looking at him.
Okay, thank you. DJ Vinny, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, I don't know how they changed it to Uncle DJ, but that's funny. But want to congratulate our winner last night, and I'm hoping that they got a chance to watch his training class and got to use some of it today.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you guys missed it last night, so DJ Vinny, thank you again, donated a How to Grow a Small Account Mastermind class, the first one that we did, donated it last night, and we did a giveaway. Who was the winner last night, Dawn? Or anybody that was there last night if Dawn's not in here?
Yeah, I'm in. Trader Vaughn. Yeah, Trader Vaughn won.
Trader Vaughn, nice job. Trader Vaughn, are you in here? SPY broke 518.80, by the way. It's going to collapse. SPY broke 518.80. Bye-bye.
There you go.
Yep. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We'll have to find out if Trader Vaughn watched that. But again, thank you, DJ Vinny. That's awesome, right? It's always about people helping people. We thank you, man, for donating and helping somebody else. That's
no
awesome.
problem, Coach.
That's
no
awesome.
problem.
Appreciate you, brother. Very cool. Very cool. People helping people, man. Look at SPY. SPY lights out that break of 518.80. Look at that. Woo-wee. Who's riding that donkey? That is glorious. Yeah, that's yes. Yes.
I have another line till 518.03. Does anybody have anything in between?
Look at it. Look at it just collapse.
Yeah.
Woo!
There it is.
There goes AMD. I told you for 170. There goes AMD scalpers. Look at that. 170 resistance again.
Oh, you know, what's very interesting is to see all the big seven at the same time having that big red candle and SPY didn't miss on that one.
Do you know what that means, everybody? Here, I'll tell you.
Holy shit.
That. Somebody's on the news right now running their mouth about something, and this is why you're getting all this.
Thank you, somebody.
I was going to say, and nobody should have been in after that second red candle right there. There's no way anybody should have been in that big ass candle right there.
That's correct. And you should have been in a put though, because you can always typically, not always, typically I can still catch the tail end of it even if I miss the first pull.
Well, Coach, using your trading, I'm up 100% on 4 contracts on SPY puts.
Yes. Nice job, partner. How's that feel, huh?
Glorious.
Wow, look at this pull. There goes AMD triple bottom. AMD triple bottom. Wow.
Look at it blowing through all these support. Like, holy
Yeah, holy shnikes. That thing's getting ripped on SPY over there. I told you though, 518.80 was the magic number, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's going on? Does anybody see any news anywhere? Where are my news people? Do you see news? Is somebody online? Did Fed say something? Is something going on? What do we got? Somebody talk to me.
Don't see anything on Bazinga.
All right. Yeah, I don't see
don't
anything.
see it, but Meta is really crashing also.
Yeah, the whole world.
Everything, all big 7.
Look at
Oh
this.
my goodness.
Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah, there's some in the news. What are we missing?
I don't know. Somebody talk to me.
Just us making money at ADT, that's all.
Oh, for sure. This is crazy talk, right? Look at this. Look at AMD. Oh my goodness.
Well,
Oh,
somebody said something about interest rates were not going to be reduced or something.
my goodness.
I don't know if this has something to do with it or not, but it says Hamas rejects truce.
No, that's it. Yeah, war talk. That's it.
Okay.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, the market don't like war talk.
No, it doesn't. By the way, thank you. I just made $3,500 on those AMD puts. Thank you, Easter. Yep. Thank
Dude,
you.
I just spent $100 on SPY. Insane.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Hey, Coach, how many contracts was that?
That was 80.
Wow, congrats.
Thank you. It's still printing, but I'm not going to be greedy. I'll take my $3,500 and run.
Now, Coach, I was telling you that 1858 on SPY was the last time that we had some wacky news. It came right to there and just earth shattered.
Right.
To the downside.
Yeah, this is amazing.
It's glorious.
It's amazing. I told you guys, though, if it breaks 518.80, it's lights out. Did I or did I not say that?
Oddly enough, my Tesla call is still going up.
Yeah, which is crazy because you're way up on support up there. Be careful on that Tesla with this going on.
Tesla's falling right now, Coach.
Yeah.
It's on fire. I just made 600 more on the MGAM.
Nice.
1100 today.
Nice job. Yeah, MGAM, new high a day, right? Yeah, MGAM, new high a day. By the way, I called that out at 18 cents. It's now 30. So you're over 100% on MGAM. If you listened to the sound of my voice today, you made a lot of freaking money. Time to get the money train going right now. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I took my money and I ran on AMD. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista, baby. Bam!
I'm pretty excited right now. I just doubled my account, my small account.
Uh-oh. Ryan just doubled his account, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, Coach, I took a little change on SPY.
Yes, talk to me, Nate. Did you short it?
No, I just went on and took did 5 contracts.
Oh,
like
you got in those puts, huh?
Yes.
Oh, nice job, Nate.
I still hate them.
Yeah, I hear you. Nice job. Nice job. Since everybody
just moves so fast, that's the only thing about it. You need to be a really good to me to be only time I'll do puts is when Coach calls them out because I don't I don't trust it's so fast.
Right, that's why I love them. Listen,
I just scalped 18% on SPY off that bounce.
Listen, puts are just like my body. They're built for speed, not comfort.
That's true. I'm telling you, $100 on SPY was like, oh, yes, nice. Thank you, retirement account.
Yeah.
Thank you, coach.
Sorry, had to do it. I used to do that all the time when I'd work with all the athletes, right? I have my big old beer belly. I'm like, this body's built for speed, not comfort. They're like, okay, coach. Nice job, everybody.
Coach, this thing said I was up $600, but when it settled, it came down to 512.
Yeah.
Bull is full of crap.
Yeah. Did you sell at market or limit?
Market.
That's why.
Hey, coach, I think it's going to keep on pulling again. Look at that.
So remember, everybody, Nate and everybody else, here's the rule, Nate. Ready?
Okay.
So if it's going in your favor, right, meaning you're making money, sell it at limit. If it's going against you and you just want to get the hell out, sell it at market because you're already going to lose a couple more bucks. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yep, because you'll always make more money, everybody, at limit than you will market, okay?
Coach, is limit equivalent to a bid if you're going in the turbo?
No, it's a mid because a bid is below and ask is above and mid is an actual mid. If you guys were using like Lightspeed or Interactive Brokers and you sold it at market, it would be now and you don't get the delay. We have a delay because we're using Webull and Robinhood and this other crap, right? So by the time we click it and it goes to their house and they put in the order and then it sells, there's that delay. That is where we're missing it. But this is why the fees are so cheap because of that. If you had Lightspeed and you said sell now, it's now. There is no delay, right? You would make all that money. But guess what? Yep. You would also pay $50, $200 for the transaction fees, which if you're using a lot of money, it's not a problem to pay out $10, $20, $50,000 in fees because you make that back because the trades are real trades. Make sense? Okay, good.
Yes, coach, look at that. Look at SPY. Oh my
SPY.
gosh, round 2.
Yep, SPY gone.
SPY.
Yep.
Jesus.
Oh my
Coach,
gosh.
there was news on UBS came out with news with the semiconductors, especially NVIDIA not meeting their quarterly. The next quarter might be questionable, and there's a rotation out of semi.
Okay.
And that was 10:14 this morning.
Oh, wow. Okay. So that, yeah, that wouldn't be this poll, but definitely not helping with AMD and NVIDIA and everything else. But yes, thank you. Appreciate that, Mashulo. Welcome back. AMD.
Oh my God.
AMD, just same thing. Down here. Now look at this. This is going to be support 167, or I'm sorry, 168. Everybody see it? This is now support. Why? It hit, pulled back, right in that exact same area again, right where we called it last time, and then pulled back. So this is support. Again, if this breaks 168, we're going to treat it just like we did up on this last gold level of 170. It's going to be lights out below 168. Everybody see it? Okay, good. So if you're like, oh, what do I do here? This is the same setup we just did. So hopefully everybody made money. And by the way, Nana, that's why I was saying be careful with Tesla because you can see it's continuing to pull with the market. So it doesn't.
Yeah, I'm not in Tesla. I was saying it was too much for me this morning.
I got you.
I'm not worried about it, but I went in SPY.
I got you. Okay, thank you. There's AMD touching this 168. This is everything again. Please don't do it early. Wait for the break. Don't try to buy puts on the support level. This is a support level. Okay, this means it could bounce here. And I don't want anybody getting your face ripped off. You guys will buy puts here. It'll run up. You'll sell them for a loss. And then it'll knife drop, break, and you'll wonder why. Buy them down here. Does that make sense, everybody? Because look at it. Now, right here, people are like, oh, I got an early, damn it. And then they'll sell for a loss. And then because this is a critical level right in here, right now it's in resistance, which most likely it would want to pull back, right? And they're like, damn it, if I just would have. Stop doing that. Stop the madness. Quit it.
Coach, what do you think of MGAM? It's still climbing.
I think it's amazing. And I think if you guys listen to the sound of my voice, there's a lot of rich people in this room.
Yes, sir.
That's what
Still
I
in
think.
it.
Yeah, we called this at 18 cents when I saw this popping off. It's 197% for crying out loud.
Coach, I want to thank you. I just want to thank you. That's all I'm gonna say. I just want to thank you. So.
Nice job. Did you get in that MGAM?
Man, I got in that SPY, Coach. Like
Oh, the
literally,
puts.
I got in at 520. I got out at 519.50. Then I
Nice.
got back in when it dropped again here at 518 when it broke that 518.60.
Yeah.
I hammered that pig.
Yes. That's what I'm
It
talking
is the
about.
new spy queen, I'm telling you.
Yes. DT, I love it.
I've only watched you like ever since 2022 when I joined, and I'm at work right now, and I'm just in tears because I've been consistently green like for the past 2 weeks.
Oh my.
And I just want to thank you so much. You know what I mean? And it's just looking brighter and better. And
Good
yeah,
job.
you already know my situation at my job, and they treat me like crap.
Yes.
And I just want to thank you so much. I really do. So
You're very welcome, man. I appreciate you saying those kind words. You're very welcome. And I'm glad it's turning a corner and it's looking good. Just remember, don't give it back. Just keep continuing the good trades. Trade the trades, not a bias, right? Watch these key levels. This is why I tell you guys all the time. Don't like, oh, I think it's going to. Don't do that. Just trade the trades. You see the levels. You see what's going on. Do not ever walk in, I think because of this, it's going to do that. Don't do that. Trade the trades. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for hanging in there, DT. I know you had some rough times, but listen, this is what it's about, right? I'm telling you, the longer you guys stay, the more you put the work in, the more you trust the process, the more you just empty your cup and listen, the more you guys work. Look at SPY, new low a day.
Awesome job, DT.
Yeah,
Congrats.
very
thank you
proud
so
of you.
much.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
DT.
We
Way
all
to go.
we all love you,
Appreciate
Apple
DT.
stuff is going down. Apple is going down. Google going down too. Meta going down.
Well,
Love you, DT.
Love you, DT.
Love you guys too. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much, Coach. Like literally.
Yeah.
I watched you faithfully since 2022 trading SPY, like, and it just became a part of who, I liked it. I adopted SPY.
That's awesome.
And I just thank you. I really do.
Yeah. Hide your kids. It's about to get dangerous because DT made SPY her bitch.
She's the spy queen now. Spy queen. That's your new nickname, TD. Spy queen.
That's right. Nice job,
Thank
DT.
you, Nana.
Love
Hey,
it.
Coach.
Love you too.
Yes. Yeah, go
Love you
ahead.
too,
Hey,
girl.
Coach.
Yes.
I got something on. Since I had that one-on-one with David,
Yes.
I've had only green trades.
Oh, that's
And I've had a
fantastic.
rough time before that. I'm sure you remember, but it's going pretty good.
Good job, man. I'm very
Definitely,
glad to hear that.
I definitely suggest getting in on that one-on-one with David.
Absolutely.
It's very helpful.
I appreciate that, man. I'm so glad. So a lot of you guys, right? It's just some of you are going to get it from a one-on-one. Some of you just obviously from being here longer. Some of you might get it in like a VIP training or a mastermind or a workshop, or it's staying involved. It's being around it. It's listening every day as much as you can. It's absorbing the information, right? It's doing, you just have to stay the course. I'm telling you, and I know some of you want to give up and it gets hard and you're like, oh, I continuously lose money and I can't do it. I'm telling you, stay the course. Stop using real money is the first thing I would say. If you guys are struggling, stop using real money. Once you put your back against the wall, it becomes very hard for you to try to become the best you can at training, right? It's very hard because then all you're trying to do is make money. I'm telling you right now, this isn't about making the money. It's about becoming a good trader. Once you become a good trader, the money will come. I'm telling you, there is a difference. If you are just chasing the dollars, it will never come. If you are becoming a good trader, that is when the doors open and things click and you're like, oh, I get it now and I see it. And then you can progress and you understand this thing and then the next thing. And then, oh, that's what he meant. And there's another tidbit. Oh, I'm adding this on. Oh, that's what that was. And over and over and over. And then you start to become so good that when you look at the charts and you see the movement and you understand what's going on, you're like, and I feel like I'm living in the Matrix. It's just going to make money hand over fist, right? Look at this. This is what I said. AMD right here. I said, this is where it's going to bounce. Don't buy puts. And I said up here, I said you would sell out up here, which is resistance on a pullback. And then it pulled back. Look at this. This is textbook you learn in this room every single day. No one, nowhere, anytime is ever going to show you these moves in real time, right? They're just not. They don't know it. I'm telling you, there is a difference between American Dream Trading and everybody else. They don't know how to do this. They haven't lived here for 3 decades plus, right? They don't understand this. Stay the course. Stay the course.
Get out of the baby sandboxes, you babies, and get to ADT, right?
Yes, but stay the course. And I know it's hard, and I know some of you are struggling. I get it, because we get all the time. People are struggling in silence. There always will be people struggling in silence, whether it's in our community, your church community, your friends, your relationships, your family. People will always do that. All we can continue to do in this room is I can continue to provide guidance, assistance, help you when you guys are struggling, encourage you. That's why I love the DTs, the DT female trucker and the Eric Motos of the world, because they are the light. Even when they are struggling, they are such positive influence. And sometimes that alone is the difference. That alone sometimes is like, I'm going to stick to it. I'm going to stay in it. I'm going to do the things that need to be done, that is required of me. We all have our own skills. We all have our own stuff that we do, right? Mine, of course, is I am your professional trainer. The other stuff is just, we have fun and we do all the things. But my job is to help you to understand the stock market, what you could possibly do in different key critical areas, and why it makes sense. But I've got people that are surrounding us inside of this room with all sorts of talents, skills, and abilities. That's why they are moderators. They all have their own talents and gifts that they give to us. And this is a full-blown community of people helping people. Again, if you guys ever wanted to join us, if you've ever wanted to learn about the stock market, how it works, what to do, how to trade it, what you could do, long-term, short-term, swing trades, options, stocks, I don't care, anything that has to do with it at all, come on over, join us, AmericanDreamTrading.com. I go live every single day, Joel, thank you for that. I go live every single day at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern for free on LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Instagram. We're live and YouTube, of course, everywhere. All day, every day, our paid members are trained from market open to market close, regardless of regular paid membership or VIP. We are here every day, all day. And guess what? When the market is over, we're still here. Then we're in the aftermarket with Dawn and everybody at 4:30 p.m. over on YouTube. I'm telling you, we provide more free training and education than anybody else. We don't have to sell you courses and all the other stuff. Yes, we have a lot of products that we provide. We do have more training and education, but seriously, if you don't have the money or you're just interested and you want to learn about us, just join the Discord. It's absolutely free. You will have to authenticate, so make sure you sign in and all the other stuff. But I'm telling you right now, the difference between our Discord and everybody else, this is a professional run business, right? We have almost 20 moderators standing by. We have more staff on hand. We're the largest and fastest growing stock market trading company in the world for a reason. This is not the little tick toddler YouTuber and crypto kitty Discords that you see out there. We have a very professional setup. We have free ebooks, how-to videos, flashcards, games, terminology. I mean, we have everything you need to get started for free. So come on over. Worst thing that will happen is you're going to come over and you're going to get a bunch of information for free. We're not going to try to sell you a bunch of stuff. You will see every once in a while, right, our regular blurbs that go out, hey, new product or service is on sale and stuff. Listen, it's free. Come over for free, literally. Check it out. Go to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 videos, ad-free, sponsored free. They're not 30 minutes of, in this video, we are going to discuss how to set up and trade a trade, and then talking for 25 minutes so they can sell you a bunch of ads in there. A lot of our videos are like a minute long. I mean, they're right to the point. So check it out. It's all in there, everybody. Okay, but anyways, that's my spiel. Hopefully you guys are posting in your profits and loss. DT, if you are not in a, oh, you're at work, so don't worry. Don't worry. We're not going to call you out for this. You're at
It's
work.
okay.
Hey,
I don't
Coach,
mind. I'm here.
Google announced
Okay.
a new AI chip for data centers. I think that's new news. I hadn't seen it, so just
Okay.
going to let you know it hadn't changed anything yet, but
All right.
just came out.
All right. Thank you, partner. Okay. So if it's okay, DT, we'll have you do it here in just a couple minutes. If not, just tell me though. So don't worry. I don't want you getting in trouble or whatever you got to do. Okay.
No, you good.
Okay.
You're fine.
All
I'm
right.
okay for now.
All right. Good, good. Everybody post your P&L. If you would, please post your P&L or your profits and loss. And we will get to those in just a minute. We're going to announce those live. Here, I'll post mine just so I have it. All right. While we're doing this, SPY is still pulling. SPY is still to the downside. AMD, still to the downside. It is still pulling. 168 to 168.75. These are critical levels. I'm going to mark it here in green. This is going to be red. You already know 170, if it works its way back up, that's going to be resistance. You already know over and over and over, if AMD cannot break 168.75, it's going to pull back to 168. If it goes above 168.75, you're going to look for it to go up to VWAP. If it breaks VWAP to 170. Okay, so these are your levels. If it breaks below 168, what could be a great possibility thing that you could do? Look at puts. If it goes above 168.75, what's something you could possibly do? You could buy calls. When in doubt, what could we do? Buy straddles. So we got it both ways. Does this make sense, everybody? Are we all on the same page? So while we're reading through the P&L, everybody can still be making money, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. AMD here touched 168.60. Remember that 68 to 75. This is that level we were talking about. And it pulled back. Here we go again. Here's 168. You break 168 and hold puts. If it does not break and hold, it's calls. When in doubt, straddle it. But I'm telling you, the more times it touches, the more bearish it becomes. Yes? There goes your flush below 168. You should all be in puts.
And if you go by your 15-minute, when the market opens, that first 15-minute candle,
never broke
Coach, you can see it was bearish.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I told you earlier when it was popping off, I told everybody in here, I said, that's dangerous still, didn't I? I said, this is still to the downside and it's dangerous, right?
Absolutely.
Yep. All right.
And 26.
Yep.
Yeah, I see 167 as next support, right?
Yeah, I've got 166.86. So yeah, it would be around 167. Yep. So just keep an eye on it. Remember, 168 is going to be everything to AMD here. And this is going to be its base level. 168 to 168.60 or 168.75. That's going to be everything to AMD right now. But as long as it stays below 168, I know what I'd be looking at. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. There it goes. There's your payday. There's your payday on AMD. Did anybody get puts? Quick scalp. Okay, good.
So the
Coach,
news
could you do the same for SPY?
Uh-oh.
Yes, sir. The news, Coach, was the CPI comes out tomorrow, and the economists are saying inflation's going to be higher than expected.
Yeah, okay, gotcha. That makes sense, which I've already known that was coming. Absolutely. Nice job. Okay, let's do this. Everybody's posting in there while we're doing that. Everybody do me a favor. Everybody that's watching for free, do me a favor. Double tap those screens. Make sure you follow. If you're over on YouTube, which, by the way, you have the best camera angle, audio, all that stuff. But if you're watching over there on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much for all those likes. Thank you for the gifts and the subscriptions. I appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. We are going to read over the profits and loss today. We're going to do that now. So right now, post them. We're doing them now. I got one last hand, and then we are going. Hopefully right now you're all making money on AMD puts. Is anybody making money on AMD puts on that break of 168? We all discussed it. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You guys are making a ton of money. By the way, I'm not trading this trade. So congratulations. Richard, go.
Yeah, just wanted to add on to what somebody said before, and that is Jamie Dimon, one of the biggest bank people, sent out his letter, and he said he expects no rate cut the entire year.
Yeah, I don't.
So that's inflation.
Yeah, I don't expect any either. We've got too hot of job markets. Houses are still being sold. Yeah, I don't expect any changes. Not right now.
Yeah, and if they cut, it would only reinflate
That's
inflation.
correct.
So it's like
That's
just
correct.
yeah.
That's correct. And I can tell you this right now, this market gets too hot and stays that way, they won't cut, they'll add again.
Yep.
So, yeah.
They haven't slowed down spending one iota.
Not one bit. Yep, not
Nope.
one bit.
And that spells rate increases.
That is absolutely correct. Because guess what? The more they give, the more we pay. And
Right.
the only way you can get that is taxes.
Yesterday, the federal government gave away $65 billion
I don't
in
want to hear
grants.
it anymore. No more. No more buying votes. Don't care what side of the fence you're on. They both love to do that garbage. I hate that stuff because at the end of the day, it's us little guys and gals, right, that have to pay that crap. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead, DT, if you are ready. Everybody keep your mics off. Listen. When DT is talking, I don't care what stocks are doing. I don't care if they're up. I don't care if they're down. You already know what to do. Let's let DT do her thing because there's a lot of them rolling in here. And again, while we're going over them, make sure you guys are signing up. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Don't forget to use that code SPRING500 to get $500 off your first year of any one of our VIP memberships. DT, if you are ready, I'll let you rock and roll. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Always, always, and forever, of course. I am definitely ready for you, sir. So let's see here for the profits and losses today on this Tuesday, April 9th, post eclipse, of course. First on the list here is Mark McSee, who shares a pre-market trading in multiples, BPTS, MYMD, ISRL, VVOS, RVSN, and LASE for a total gain of over $1,700. Congratulations to you there, Mark Mixie. Next here is Moses 3333, who shares a big thumbs up. Sounds like you're in the money, Moses 3333. Congratulations to you. Next up here is Future Trader, who shares a gain of $405 in a pre-market, trading ACRV. Congratulations to you there, Future Trader. Next here is JStorm21, who shares a profit today of $58.44. Just listening to the sound of your voice, Coach. And thank you, Coach. Congratulations to you there, JStorm21. Base hits, baby. Get the money. Next here is Pep, who shares, or PEB, who shares got in late to trade LASE, taking notes, but still made $16. And it's simulated money, of course. Congratulations to you there, Pep, PEB.
Nice job, Pep.
Base hits, baby.
Yes.
Get the money. Sorry, Coach.
Nope. Sorry, I'm just throwing in my little tidbits. I appreciate you. I don't mean to interrupt you.
No, it's okay. I'm all hyped up.
Yeah,
I'm all
thank you.
hyped up.
I love
Sorry
it.
about that. Love you too. Next here's B. Axelrod, who shares a one SPY quick scout put up 19.35%, $23.88 profit. Congratulations to you there, B. Axelrod. Get the money, base hits, baby. Next here is James L., who shares red day on AMD call. Order to sell, didn't fill in profit, out below VWAP, thought I was ready, back to training. Exactly, James L. You got this though. You VIP, right? So VIP is the place to be. You will get there really soon, okay?
Absolutely.
Stick
Hang
with
in there.
Coach.
Hang in there,
Hang in
James.
there.
Yep.
Hang in there and stick with Coach. And I'm glad you got the right mindset to keep training, because training speaks to, earning in the long run. So, or maybe the short run, right? So just keep at it, James. We appreciate you and keep up the great work, okay? You got this. We thank you for your transparency. Next here, Tyler, who shares AMD puts up 4.63% for today. Congratulations to you there, Tyler. Okay, BMAC here shares, BMAC 1975, that is, shares a gain on SPY puts of $275. Congratulations to you there, BMAC 1975. Next here is Doc 88, who shares a $152 gain on Tesla and $43 on Amazon. Congratulations to you there, Doc88. Get the money. Next here is JT 126, who shares a gain today of $531 trading Tesla. Congratulations to you there, JT 126. Next here is Josh Lee 924, who shares listen to coach, made money, simple as that. And Josh Lee 924, I'm sorry, shares a gain today of over $473. Just listening to coach, making the money. As simple as that. You got it, Josh Lee. Congratulations to you there.
Nice.
And keep up the great work. Next here is BMAC 1975 here, who shares another play on SPY. Listening to the sound of Coach's voice, of course. And now BMAX shares another play on SPY with a gain of over $900 or $975. Look at you, BMAC 1975. Get the money. Next here's LNT Motor, who shares I'm up today 18.5% on my total account, trading QQQ puts, INTC puts, loving ADT, and congratulations to you. We love you too, LNT Motor. Shout out to everybody. Much love, right? Next here is Nate, Big Nate, who shares a gain today of $7,900. I'm sorry, yeah, $7,900. I'm sorry, getting tongue-tied. Profit for Nate today. Congratulations to you there, Big Nate. Next here is USA Tour. Right? Next here is USA Tour, who shares $187 green, stopping out those losers. Can't say enough about staying positive, which is green. This is a proud day, even at $187, because I am positive. Exactly, US Tour, right? I mean, that's what it's about right there. Consistency, baby. It ain't just about the money, it's about consistency. So congratulations to you there, USA Tour. Keep up the great work, okay? Next here is Art Gar. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. If I'm not, I'm sorry. Art Gar. Art Gar shares I started with Apple calls on a 2-minute EWO, and then I got into SPY puts on a 2-minute EWO. It's clicking. I was patient and I waited for the trade to come to me. Thank you, Coach.
Yes.
That's what it's about right there,
Perfect.
Artgar. Congratulations. Exactly. Artgar shares up 18.24% today. Congratulations to you again, Artgar. Next here is Paula 1614. Hey girl, hey. Paula shares hey.
Guys. Oh, love it.
I love this group. This is so awesome. Paula 1614 shares green on Apple 2-minute using Coach's 2-minute EWO. Used to make the entry, traded Apple calls with small position size, shed it on the breath back. Once out, switched to SPY for a quick scalp on the puts, exceeded my daily goal, training for the remainder, listening, reading, and trading psychology literature. Thanks, David, to the Apple crew. And then, of course, big thanks to Coach Chad. Congratulations to you and Miss Paula,
Nice
1614
job,
shares.
Paula. Yes.
Okay, a gain today of over 4%. Get the money, Paula. Okay, next up, Sookie, somebody break down the wall.
Love
It's
it.
the big dog. It's the big dog. Help shares today.
That's great.
Coach, you're awesome. Coach shares his P&L today. Profit today of over $3,500. Coach, 13.02% today. Look at Coach getting the money. Coach all in the comma club. Coach is in the comma club, y'all. Watch it. We love you, Coach. Congratulations to
Love
you,
you
sir.
too. Thank you.
You're such an inspiration. You know, we love you up in here. We just really, really do. So,
Appreciate it.
all the eagles and everything, all the animals and everything. We all love you. Next up here is the Corbin. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. If I'm not, sorry. The Corbin shares 9th Green Day. Base hits. Let's roll, y'all. Congratulations
Wow,
to you.
nice job. I love hearing that. Has anybody got a truck horn for the Corbin? I'd love to hear it for the Corbin out there. There it is. Thank you. He did it for himself. Thank you, man. We appreciate you. That's awesome. Good job.
Oh, that's
Nice work.
Listen to fellow truckers getting the money out there and rolling. I love it. Oh my God, Coach. You are the best. So congratulations to you, the Corbin, on your 9th Green Day base hits. And we thank you for your service. All right, Trucker Man, we really, really do. Shout out to all the truckers out there.
Hell
Next
yeah.
up here is definitely, definitely. Next up here is L Sam, who shares up 4% on TAB. Thanks to the coach and the whole family. Congratulations to you, L Sam.
Nice
We
job.
thank you too for sharing. Next
Mhm.
up here is Joey Joe, 3629, who shares I'm up $140 on AMD puts. Let's go.
Nice. Nice, nice.
Well, congratulations to you, Joey Joe, right? Coach was calling that out all day. Like he was in
Beautiful.
it. He was telling y'all. Congratulations to you there, Joey Joe. Next up here is Ripples. Ripples shares a big team. Ripples is all up in SPX with a gain today of over $6,700.
Wow, nice job, Ripples. $6,700. Beautiful.
Right? That's my
Wow.
inspiration.
Yeah,
SPX, like,
that's
whoa.
nice.
Get the money, Ripples.
Mhm.
Ripples over here rippling the comic club.
Right?
Congratulations to you. Okay, coach?
A billfold's rippling with cash.
Man,
That's nice.
that's so beautiful. Congratulations to you. Next up here is Patience for Pennies. Y'all hear that name, right? Patience for Pennies. Get it, get it, get it. We love it. We love it. Patience for Pennies shares another small Green Day, shares only. Great job, everyone. Well, congratulations to you, Green.
That's
Patience for
right.
Pennies.
A green day, I'll take it every day over a red day. I don't care if it was pennies. That is beautiful. Nice job.
Exactly. Congratulations, Patience for Pennies. Like, seriously, we really do love your name. It keeps us reminded all the time. All the time. So next up here is Angmore. I hope I'm saying your name correctly, but if I'm not, I'm sorry. Angmore shares. I am up today 5%. Get the money, Angmore. Congratulations to you.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Hey, girl, hey.
huge. That is huge. Nice job.
Heck yeah, get the money,
Beautiful.
girlfriend. Next up here is yes, it is, Coach. Next up here, look at all these people like posting. Like, this is just beautiful. Next up here is Waffle, who shares Waffle getting the bacon again, you guys. Waffle getting the
Yes.
bacon.
Yes. Get that chicken and waffles, baby. Get it.
We love it. Waffle shares here gain today of $25 on
Mhm.
MGAM, Hot Stock Pick, and then LASE. I believe so. Yeah, I hope I'm saying that correctly.
Yes.
Congratulations to you, though, there, Waffle, with a big thanks to the ADT family and all the little emojis with the sunglasses on there.
Nice job. Nice, nice job.
Congratulations to you, Waffle. Keep up the great work, okay? Jim here is next on the list. Jim 007, that is, who shares a gain today of over $1,000 on Tesla calls. Congratulations to you there, Jim 007, okay?
Nice
Get
job,
the money.
Jim.
Jim.
It's beautiful.
Next up here is Funfield, who shares, hey, Funfield, a small position size made $41 on one SPY put. Congratulations to you on that. These simple scalps, along with some covered calls and cash secure puts, have my account up 4K since late January.
Wow. That's glorious. And look at that, using all
DT. Thank you very much.
and using all sorts of strategies, man. That's beautiful. Nice work.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yes, beautiful.
That's what's up. Congratulations to you, Funfield, and thank you for the compliment. Like, literally, I'm so proud of you. Like, yeah, get the money, get the money. Next up here is Rich, love the name, Rich L1700, who shares a big OMG 4th Green Day. You hear that, Coach?
Yeah,
4th
that's
Green Day.
beautiful.
That's just so beautiful,
Following
Coach.
in your footsteps, DT.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yes.
oh my God, it's all clicking. It's clicking for a lot of members, like more than less. And it's speaking to you and your training and your teaching, Coach. And I'm just reading this and it's trying to get me choked up, Coach. Bring
I
out the
love it.
ADT
I
clean
love
that.
it. And on a crazy topsy-turvy day, because this thing was down, then it was up, and then a huge pull. I mean, this has been all over, and you guys are making money on one of the hardest days there's ever been to trade. So that is a testament to you guys putting in the work. Nice job.
Thank you, Coach.
This is a
We
tough day
appreciate
to
you all.
trade, and look at all these profits. This is great.
We learn from the best, Coach. We learn from the best. Okay?
Absolutely.
Like, literally.
And I'm going to read the next one. This is from DT, the female trucker, made 64 on the first SPY dump. Second dump made $173. Great job, DT. Love you, man. That is nice work.
Thank you so much. I really do. And I'm just working on now, just making sure that I can stay in these plays a lot longer. So that's
Yes.
the next thing. So I thank you, sir. Really,
Nice
really,
job.
I do. Basics, baby, basics.
That's right.
Next here is Mark McSee. Mr. Mark McSee shares an update on a play of spy puts by listening to the sound of Coach's voice, of course. Made $1,300 on spy puts, and then MGAM for another $100. Total for today is over $3,200. Look at you, Mr.
This
Mark
is
McSee.
crazy. Now, this is what we got to remind ourselves. When Mark and I, over a year ago, did our one-on-one, the goal was $200 a day for Mark. If you guys have looked at his past week, he's consistently, on average, over, right, for the last 5 trading days, is like over $1,000 a day. So he has now taken the 200 and just blowing this thing up every single day. He's in here in the pre-market helping members. He's always in the aftermarket helping members. He's now doing all of our news and updated services. Mark is everywhere, and it is a testament to why Mark has not worked his 9-to-5 job anymore since joining American Dream Trading. Nice work, Mark. We love you, and we appreciate everything you do for us, man. That is awesome.
And a big yes, we do, Mr. Mark McSee. Oh my goodness, the pre-market. I'm not even in there, but I know Mr. Mark McSee and Nate and Coach
and Nate and the
that's just
crew. Yes, great job.
awesome.
Nate is always helping everybody out. You guys are awesome. Again, we wouldn't have this without all you amazing people. Thank you.
we
Hey,
thank you more,
Coach.
Coach.
Yeah.
I told Mark I prophesized that he was gonna be making $5,000 a week, and it would change his life.
For sure.
I told him.
Yes.
Yes.
I agree. I think he's going to be one of our millionaires soon. He has turned a corner.
Yes.
He is making tons of money consistently. His trades are getting better and better every day. He's getting noticed. Now, everybody, I want you to notice something. Notice the more Mark is involved with American Dream Trading, the more he has made. Is there a coincidence to that, by the way? The second he joined the aftermarket panel, got involved in pre-market, now doing news service, so he's right in tune. Has anybody noticed the more involved he's been with ADT, the more money he has consistently made? I don't know. Things that make you go,
Hey, don't, it's a direct correlation.
Yes.
You put the work in, it produces results.
Absolutely.
You got to plant the tree to get the fruit.
Absolutely. Great job, Mark.
100%.
You are crushing it. We love you, buddy. Great job.
Appreciate the kind words.
Love it. Love it.
I'm
Love
humbled by it. Matter of fact, I was telling them in the pre-market today, I had 2 business owners approach me within the last 5 days, offered me a job, and I just like, I don't think so.
Yeah, you're like, I don't want to lose money.
Yeah.
And that is living the American dream, right? Freedom. Mark has freedom to make choices where other people can't make those choices. That is what it's all about. Congratulations to you, my friend. I love hearing that.
Congratulations, Mark.
That's
like
awesome.
literally. We're happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Like, don't get me choked up.
That's
Don't get me
great.
choked up. 'Cause Mark.
Mark.
Yeah.
Love it.
I sound like a chihuahua, huh, Coach? Just tell me.
We love it, though. You gotta have them all. Love it.
Maybe a Shih Tzu.
Yeah, a Shih Tzu. Okay, stop it. Stop it. What'd you do right
see
there?
that.
Stop it. Hey.
Oh, that's hilarious. All right, now we got to finish up this
Sorry,
here now. 'Cause
sorry,
we still
we're
got
off the
more.
rails. If it's like the aftermarket show. Dawn, put $1 in the tip jar. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Everybody back on track. Dawn did that.
Thank you, Don.
You're welcome.
All right, here next up on the list here, profits and losses for today is LJ, who shares them up 8% on entire account spy puts.
Nice.
Congratulations to you there, LJ.
Hell
like
yeah.
seriously, keep up the great work.
Beautiful.
Next up here is Miss Christina. Hey, girl.
Hey. Christina, hey.
You guys are nuts.
Good job. Nice work.
Thank you.
We love our Christina,
That's
though,
awesome.
for real.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey.
Love you guys. Thanks.
Love you too.
We
That
love
is
you too.
that's impressive. Look at that.
Man,
Wow.
man, Christina, look at you, still going, and she's what in another 124 on LASE. Christina getting all the money in here and all the plays.
Yeah, this is
She was in a
crazy.
Mara call. Man, Christina, look at you. Mara call, she gained 200 on that. Spy put, she gained over 1,300 on that. And then another spy put, she gained over 351,000. Oh my God, Christina, I can't even count the money.
Just going for it. Just
Thanks.
going for it.
All you guys. It's all you guys. We made it up this far without having you guys.
It's beautiful.
So
We
thank
love you, Christina.
Love you too.
Love
Thanks.
Yep. I don't care what Dawn says. You are definitely a part of the family.
Dawn, watch your freaking mouth, would you? Put $1 in the jar.
You know I love you.
It's always Dawn stirring the pot, stirring the pot.
Y'all so crazy.
Yep. It's always Dawn.
Oh man. Christina, you're so awesome. Love you, girl. Next here is you took away the tears because I'm looking at all this profits right here and just people just, winning and gaining and learning, and it gets me a little choked up.
Yeah, it's incredible. I love it.
I love it too. So next here on the list is, of course, Ferris, who shares 2,500 gain today on Spy Put. Thank you, Coach.
Nice.
Congratulations to you there, Ferris. Next here is Kinsey, who shares a $61 quick scalp gain today and still hanging in there. Congratulations to you there, Kinsey. Get the money
Nice
on Spy,
job.
that is.
Mhm.
So congratulations to you. Next up here is Grego. Hey, Grego, who shares I'm up 38% on my small account. Thanks, Coach and Spy. Congratulations to you there, Grego. Get the money. Like, seriously, that's just so awesome because people are taking the initiative to believe within themselves. And, Coach, you're just helping us, So
Thank you.
that's what it's about right
Nice
there.
job.
So we just thank you. We thank you. Victoriano, who shares I'm up 22% on Neo. 2 calls and 120 shares, up 36%. Congratulations to you there, Victoriana. Look at you getting the money both ways.
Nice job.
Congratulations. Next here is Brian A 2003, who shares 1 trade on Tesla call, made 215% on my trade, up 32.75% on my entire account. Thank you so much, Coach, and thank you, ADT family.
Incredible, Brian. Nice job. Wow. Nice work.
That is really beautiful. Next here is Timo, who shares, hey, Timo, who shares a $17.45 gain on LASE in the pre-market, Jersey Mike's for lunch.
Yes.
Congratulations to you, Timo. Get the sandwich and the money, okay?
Hell yeah. Get that sandwich.
Get that sandwich. Don't forget the cheese.
That's right. Love
and the
it.
mayo.
Love it.
That's awesome. Next here is David. Oh, break down the
David.
Wall Street. Pull out
Yes.
the red carpet. David up in here, our Apple man, our master T. 2-minute EWO man that Coach trained. I
Yes.
mean, Lord have mercy, David. You're a rock star.
Crushing
If you
it.
guys-
Crushing it on one-on-ones. Crushing it on trades. Just always being a part. Love, love, love you, David. You're doing a great job, man. We appreciate you every single day.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
indeed. Yes, indeed. Rockstar David here shares a game today. One comfortable. He said 2-minute
Yes,
EWO
I
trade.
like that. Yes. Yes. David's trades are built for comfort, not speed. Comfort, not speed.
I got it.
Yeah.
Recline my
Let him
seat,
go.
David.
Let him
Recline
go.
my seat.
Yes. Nice job.
Okay, that's just right there. That is so OG. David said 1 comfortable 2-minute EWL trade in Apple for a gain of $429 in under 1 hour. Done until the one-on-ones.
That's great.
That's awesome right there. Get the money, David. Get the money. Like seriously, get the money. Okay, coach. I'm getting there.
Love
I'm
it.
almost there.
You know, you're
You might
fine.
have to take over.
You're fine. You're good. Trust me, you're good. Thank you.
This is a lot right here.
Yeah,
Like
people are just
literally.
jamming in here today.
We came a long way. You know, for those that want to say, oh yeah, it was spy, you know, it was obvious. It was obvious.
No, I
No, this
know.
speaks to confidence right here.
Yes,
Okay.
it really does.
That's the obvious, you know, in this is that it
Mhm.
speaks to people's confidence that they believed within themselves.
That's right. And
To say, okay,
today was a really rough trading day. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but today was really rough. I mean, this thing has been up, down, and all around, and all these stocks, and Tesla was down, and then it was up, and then a big, huge pullback like this. This was not easy trades today. I don't care what anybody says. There was no global information like the world is burning and we all got to make money. And, you know, no, this was all just good trades. You guys are crushing it. Nice work.
definitely, coach. Next up on the list here is J-Lock. Hey, J-Lock, OG J-Lock, been in here since the beginning too. Who shares I'm up $305 on SPY puts. Thanks, coach. Good job, DT.
Nice job.
Thank you, J-Lock. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. thank you, J-Lock. Next up here is Stro, who shares I made $300 on SPY and $150 on Amazon puts. Thanks, coach. It's almost coming together for me now. I have better eyes on the market. Thanks to you. God bless.
Nice job. Love hearing it.
Congratulations.
Keep after it. Keep after it. You get better every day. Listen, I've been doing this 32 years and I get better every day. There's not a day where I don't get better. Stay in there. Stay after it.
Exactly, coach. Next up here is it's me, KP.
That's me,
What you
Mario.
That is so adorable. Hey, it's me, KP, who shared the gain today of over $1,178 on Apple, LASE, FMCI, Tesla, and Fire. Wow, that all run.
Yes,
That
nice
all
job.
went together. That all flowed together. That's awesome.
Nice.
Congratulations to you. It's me, KP, on that $1,100 gain for today. Keep up the great work. Next up here is JR Macias, who shares morning family up $207. About 2 minutes this morning listening to Coach on AMD. In 2 minutes, they made $207.
That is awesome. Nice job.
This is so incredible. Congratulations to you, JR Macias. Next up here is Splash. Oh, Splash. Listen to Splash. Splash has made $1,200 splashing into the SPY puts. Great call, coach.
Yes. Nice
Congratulations
work.
to you, Splash. Get the money. Next up here is Murphy, who shares Murphy 305, who shares I have been in ETF since October 2023. I have consistently made 5% plus on my total account on a monthly basis. Here to retirement in January, looking to retire in January 2025. Thank you, coach, for your guidance. I am and will continue to always listen to you. That is so awesome.
Yeah,
Murphy.
nice job. We'll congratulate you. That'll be a nice party when you get there, man. We look forward to having you retire. That'll be awesome.
Exactly. And congratulations to your consistency since 2023. Like, that's dope right there. Get
Yeah,
the
that's
money.
incredible.
That's so
5% plus
incredible.
per month. Jeez, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's so awesome. Like, that's outstanding. Get the money, Murphy. Next
Yes.
up here is Nana, who shares a hello, Spy Queen. Thank you, Nana. Who shares Nana? Big Nana shares. Big Nana. Who shares Nana. Okay, Chihuahua. Gotta go back under
That's
the table.
awesome.
Wait
I
for
love
some
it.
crumbs.
That's great.
Nana shares I made 11% on my small account trading SPY and Google and made $100 on SPY puts in my retirement account. Congratulations to you, Nana, Miss Nana. We love you, girl. We love you.
We do,
You a
Nana.
beast, girl.
We do
Get
love
the
you,
money,
man.
Nana.
We know you're crushing that retirement account. That's just incredible.
Yes, that girl is. Congratulations to you, Nana, again. Next up here is DJ Vinny. DJ Vinny up in the house. Fricky. I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. The name
That's
made me
awesome.
do it. The
Yeah,
name
yeah.
made me do it.
Nice job, DJ Vinny. Beautiful
All
work.
right.
That was on SPY too, Coach.
Yes,
I
nice
forgot to put
job.
that in there.
Yes.
That's how you do it, DJ Benny. That's my
That's your
technique.
shaving technique right there.
Yes,
That's
beautiful.
Coach's shit. Yes, it is. It's mine now. Sorry, Coach.
Yep, love it.
Sharing is caring.
Yep.
Congratulations to you there, DJ Benny, on all that money you made right there on Spy. Like, that's beautiful on the contracts and just, yeah. Congratulations to you there, DJ Benny. 77, 97, and 114. Get the money. Next up here is Jeffrey, who shares scalping candle patterns with strong trend. Still going in small. Jeffrey shares a gain today on Dell. Good move right there, Jeffrey. And then also Spy for a gain today of over, like here, $145. Get the money there, Jeffrey.
Nice job.
Congratulations to you. And keep up the great work, okay, on understanding those trends. Next up here is Trader Vaughn, who shares, sorry, couldn't talk earlier. Wanted to thank DJ Benny for that giveaway. Really grateful for it. And thank you, Coach, for this wonderful family you have created and all, hold on. And all the knowledge you give us every day. Green Day today, working on my consistency. Thank you so much. And so much.
Yeah, that's
Congratulations to
great.
you there.
Yeah, and congratulations on that, man. We hope you enjoy that mastermind class, How to Grow Your Small Account. Perfect. Good job, Trader.
That's so much
And
love.
thank you,
Next
DJ
here,
Vinny. That's awesome.
yeah, shout out to DJ Benny. Forget. Next up here is
That's great. Oh, I love it.
oh God. Somebody take the mic.
That's awesome. That's great.
Next up here is Windmill, who shares was down 35-ish dollars and went back in and up 54 cents. I'll take it. Small,
That's
very
right.
small account.
That's right.
Congratulations. Yeah, that's right. Take that.
Nice
Take that,
job.
Windmill.
You kept
Congratulations.
posting Vinny's picture last night, Coach. You got to check it out.
Yeah, I saw that somewhere. You know what? I saw a small part of it, but yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Yep. Oh, that's what it was. I got on right when you guys first got on. Yep. For about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I said hello in there, but everybody was doing their own thing. I was like, oh, awesome.
Shoot, she came on the panel.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't able to do that because I got to sneak getting in there at that time. That's my special time to watch shows and stuff. Everybody be cool. Everybody be cool. Right.
Okay, now. Pipe down.
Right. I'll be right back.
I love it. Next up here is John Law, who shares a gain today of $260 on Apple calls and SPY puts. Thanks, Coach. Congratulations to you there, John Law. Next up here is Gagan. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. If I'm not, I'm sorry. Gagan shares $184 on Tesla calls and SPY puts. Thanks, Coach. Congratulations to you there, Gagan. Next up here is somebody break down the walls. OG Bruno. Portuguese flying suit. We love you. Look at you. Bruno shares here today again on one of his babies, AMD puts with the 6% gain. Bruno, congratulations, Bruno. Get the money. I'm so happy for you. I really, really am. Get the money, Bruno. Next up here is Ken C, who shares, I'm up another $67 on SPY to the upside. The hardest part is believing in yourself, but with Coach's help, I finally feel like all this hard work is paying off. Love you, Coach. Love you hard, Coach. You are the inspiration I need. Congratulations to you, Kenzie, and ditto, right? The feeling is mutual. The feeling is so mutual. Coach is just so awesome. So that's awesome, Kenzie. Keep up the great work, okay? And thank you for sharing always. Next up here is Karna. Karna said, I got my butt kicked this morning. Then Coach said, look at Spy. I jumped in mastermind style, right? Because the mastermind class. He jumped in mastermind style and ended up $4,100 up. Carnuts, thank you all. Congratulations to you, Carnuts. In the paper, of course. Congratulations to you, Carnuts. Like that's awesome. That speaks to consistency, right? Get the money. Next up here is Mark DHOC, who shares a 7% gain, $7,200 this month. In my Yield Max ETF, $1,200 on SPY puts. Congratulations to you there, Mark DHOC. You getting the money all kinds of ways. Okay. We love it. Like, Coach is awesome. He teaches us so much. So, congratulations to you there, Mark DHOC. Next up here is Josh Lee, who shares another update. The real profits are the friends we made along the way. Yes, indeed, Josh Lee, you're absolutely right. That's awesome. Thanks for sharing. Next up here is Joe Pink, who shares I'm up 1% on my total account. Green baby. Congratulations to you there, Joe Pink. Look at you. And here, last but not least, is Tim, who shares I made $352 today on mRNA, BGSM, and MGAM. Made $16. I'm sorry, getting tongue tied. Made $16 yesterday on small trade and AUUD. Started trading real money on yesterday. Look at you, and you're already green. Congratulations to you there, Tim. And congratulations to all the earners and the learners. Keep doing what we're doing, minimizing our risk, right? 3% losses, less than. And we just thank you so much, Coach. Like, literally, we thank you, everybody, for sharing. And back to you, Coach.
Absolutely.
Back to you.
Thank you,
I'm getting choked
DT.
up.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, everybody. That's
All
going
right,
to...
come in.
Thank you, guys. That's going to do it for today. Again, I want to thank all my moderators. Special shout out to DT. Hopefully you still have a voice the rest of the day. That was a lot of profits in there. Holy crap. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, and Happily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you guys again for being a part of American Dream Trading today. Hopefully you learned something or you made some money or both. That would be great. Again, at any time, if you want to join us for free or one of our paid memberships, head on over to americandreamtrading.com. We appreciate all of you being here. Thank you again to our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we respect and honor you every single day. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Appreciate everybody. All right, that's going to do it. I'll see you guys same coach time, same coach channel tomorrow, 9 o'clock Eastern. For those of you that are watching for free, VIP members, I will see all of you tomorrow at 8:15. VIP also, we'll see everybody trading with the other millionaires in the pre-market starting at 4 a.m. Don't forget, we got the mastermind class coming up June 5th. June 5th, that is going to be the How to Grow a Small Account Part 2. If you haven't purchased the first one, I highly recommend you go over there. You do not have to be a member to purchase that program or that video. By the way, it's almost 2 hours, full Q&A, How to Grow a Small Account Part 1. And then, of course, it's going to lead into Part 2. So make sure you guys check that out. Again, thank you so much. I had an amazing day. I am always humbled, grateful, and honored to be here. And I thank all of you for being the very best part of American Dream Trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, moderators. It's all you. Love your faces. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.
Love you, Coach. Have a great day.
You bet.